Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix BeReal not working problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to update the BeReal app. The error you have received may have been resolved in the new update. So this solution will work for you. We go to Play Store. We type BeReal in the search section. Click on Application. Click on Update here. If it says Open instead of Update, your application is up to date. The update is complete. The app is currently in its latest version. This was our first solution. If this solution didn't work, let's move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to clear all data of BeReal and turn it off if the battery saver mode is on. The reason we do this is to refresh the BeReal, and turning off the battery saver if our phone is preventing BeReal from working. To do this, we go into the settings. Scroll down and find Apps. Click on Manage Apps. Among our applications, we find BeReal. Then we go to the storage part and click on Clear Data. Click on Clear All Data and then OK. In this way the cache and all data were cleared. We return to the previous page. We scroll down. Click on the section that says Battery Saver. We make sure that no restrictions is selected. In this way, we have disabled the battery saver mode. This was our second solution. If the solution worked for you, do not forget to mention it in the comments. Our third solution is to uninstall and reinstall the BeReal app. But before doing that we need to delete all the data of the BeReal app like we did in the second solution. After deleting the data, we uninstall the application. We go to Play Store and reinstall BeReal. The application has been installed. You can go into the application and check if the error is fixed or not. And that was our third solution. If this solution doesn't work either, we'll move on to our final solution. Our fourth solution is to download an older version of the BeReal app. Before doing this we need to uninstall the installed BeReal application. There are multiple sites where you can access older versions. I'll put the link of the site I use in the description. After uninstalling, we open the browser. After entering the site, we scroll down. Old versions are available here. We are downloading a version that is not too old. Click on Download and then on Download anyway. Wait for the download to finish. After the download is complete, click on Open. If you are having trouble installing the APK, I put the video on this topic in the cards section. You can access the video from the cards at the top right. Click on Install. We are waiting for the installation to finish. The old version of BeReal is installed. We now restart the phone once. After restarting the phone, you can enter the app and check. This was our fourth and final solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.